So let's talk about promotion. Is getting promoted only about moving up in the hierarchy and getting paid more?
So I think this depends on who you ask, Jeremy. For me, the answer is no. I think it really depends on the type of promotion. It depends on the individual, it depends on the organization. It depends on, and by type of promotion, the role that you are being promoted into. So I don't think that it's all about one aspect or another.
Would you see, say, an addition to a role as being a kind of promotion? So suppose you're asked if you can spend some time working on a particular project because they have seen skills in you, and it doesn't form a natural part of what you've been doing or your job description, but it's something that they've realized, yeah, you could be a good fit for this.
Taking on extra job duties is one way that I like to talk about that with our clients, Jeremy. And you're right. Sometimes people just see things in you or in someone else and they ask them to work on special projects. Another way that a lot of our clients have experienced that is someone has said, "Hey, can you train this new person that's coming into your role?" Even though their job title isn't technically trainer or manager, but they might be asked to do those extra job duties. If you embrace those, that can be a great way to position yourself for a promotion in the future.